Tonight, the Indians football team start a two-game road schedule tonight as they travel to Knightstown to take on the Panthers in a conference matchup. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. Good luck to the boys tonight.
Homecoming is just 2 weeks away, and there is still time to get your Spirit shirt orders in. If you need a form, see Miss Keel, or you can pick one up at the high school office. Money for purchases needs to be in the Miss Keel by the end of the day today.
College Go Week is quickly approaching September 20th through 24th. The Avid team would like to celebrate by wearing college shirts that week. However, not to take away from homecoming, we are going to have a College Go Week kickoff next week, September 13th to the 17th. All staff members are encouraged to wear their college shirts with jeans next week if you pay $1 each day. And the best part, this money will be going to Promise Indiana, Randolph County for our third grade students' College Choice 529 savings account. Money can be given to Jennifer Vincent and either library.
The boys' tennis team were on the road against the Lincoln Golden Eagles last night, and Coach Jeffries has his team running on all cylinders as they continue their season of domination of the Tri-Eastern Conference with a perfect 5-0 record and an 8-2 overall. The three singles players of Dowler, Hoggett, and Jeffries, along with doubles partners Kerms, Folk, Hoggett, and Richards, claimed victories again last night. The Indians will be hosting the Randolph County Tournament tomorrow starting at 10 a.m.
Students attending the Washington, D.C. trip this spring are encouraged to fundraise and sell Roots Meals tickets for $10 each, which include the choice of either pulled pork or chicken, green beans, mashed potatoes, and applesauce. Tickets will be sold until Wednesday, September 29th. The dinner pickups are at 208 North Howard or at the local Roots in Union City on Sunday, October 3rd from 12 to 2:30. If you're interested in buying a meal, please contact Ms. Black or any of the students participating in the Washington, D.C. trip for purchases or more information.
Today is Friday, September 10th. Back on this day in history, the Swanson Company sells its first TV dinner to consumers in 1953. The Beatles released Revolver in 1966. The first syndicated episode of primetime game show Jeopardy, hosted by Alex Trebek, debates in 1984. Grunge band Nirvana, led by the late Kurt Cobain, releases the single Smells Like Teen Spirit in 1991. The song would go on to become the anthem of Generation X. All this happened on this day in history, September 10th.
Good morning or good afternoon. Mr. Lynch here for another Freaky Friday coming your way from Union City's 6th grade science class. We got a pretty interesting demonstration today. Give a shout out to all those kiddos down into the lower elementary at Northside. I know the 1st and 2nd graders, you watch this quite a bit. We gave a shout out to the kindergarten last week. So 1st and 2nd grade, this is for you this time, okay? And I have an egg. I have a bowl or a container of water, and I have a candle. We'll go ahead and get the candle lit. And the idea here is we're going to take the egg and completely burn it as much as I can and get it coated on the outside with a black color. And if you don't know what that is, that's actually a form of carbon. And carbon has a really unique, distinct ability. It has the ability to adhere a gas like air around it. And so the idea is I'm going to totally make this dark black, and we're going to dip it down into the water and see if it doesn't do something really unique and really interesting, okay? So it's going to take me a little while. In case you're ever using fire, always be careful. Use glasses like goggles, safety goggles or safety glasses. And if you're going to use fire, get parent permission, right? So, I'm going to take a little while here, and it's going to look like it's going to burn the egg, and that's really what I want it to do. And it'll take me a while. If you do this, you need to do it very, very carefully, because it's easy to get your fingers burned. And it'll take me a little while to get this done. So as you're watching, keep going. I'm going to do all over this thing. You might even use a bigger candle. Get rid of some of the wax. Oh, that's better. Yep, I could feel it getting warm there. Woo! And as you keep burning and burning, you're not really burning the candle, you're just making the soot and the carbon develop on the outside of the egg. You can see it a little bit here. I've got to make sure and do the ends really, really well. And don't let it get too dark because it kind of toasts your fingers. I'm getting there. We're getting closer. Now remember, I told you the carbon on the outside of this egg is going to adhere gas to the egg. That's pretty toasty warm. We'll do the other side. It's almost done. Not quite. The darker you get it, the better it turns out. And it's pretty cool when I finish it. I sometimes call this the silver egg experiment. And there we go. Almost done. Just about enough. I know it takes a little while. The more you have on it, the better it works out. Let's see if this works, all right? Take a close look on the egg and see if you can see what happens. It almost turns silver, but it's not silver. What has happened, the egg has held a gas bubble around it because of the carbon. And it almost makes it look like it turns into something silver, but in reality, it's just a buildup of carbon holding the air bubble as you dip it into water, kind of making a silver egg. Pretty interesting demonstration. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and you guys have a great day out there.